All right, today we're going to be talking about the difference between a general contractor and a digital contractor. There's a lot of similarities and also a lot of differences. And so we'll kind of dive into what it means and what it could potentially help you with when it comes to creating recurring income and more cash flow every single month. Okay. So when we look at a general contractor, generally that's going to be dealing with real estate, right? And what happens with a general contractor is they probably own like a home building company or construction company. An individual will pay them some money, and what they'll do is instead of having to do any of the work is they'll just outsource it to people called subcontractors. So the owner of a general contracting company doesn't have to usually pick up a hammer or nails or do any of the work. They can sit in their office. As an example, let's just say that, I gave a general contractor $3 million to build a custom home. And now what he's going to do is distribute out of that $3 million money to subcontractors to do the actual work. And whatever is left over, he or she could keep, right? Which is really cool. That would be profit for the company. So let's just say that the general contractor that I paid the $3 million to pays out his subcontractors or her subcontractors $2 million. That means that they would pocket $1 million in profit, not having to do any of the actual work. Again, because as the contractor, they're going to hire people to do the flooring, the roofing, the basement, the foundation, right? Like everything, landscaping, everything that would require some heavy lifting. This is where there's a lot of similarities in digital contracting. It's really nice. A lot of people need help when it comes to marketing their companies. A lot of people are struggling and are trying to figure out how they can market their businesses online, but they just don't know how to do it. And so they may go to you if you're a digital contractor, pay you a couple grand to start working with you, and then some money every single month to manage their marketing. So let's just say somebody paid you $2,000 to start working with you as their digital contractor, and then they paid you $700 a month. Now, remember, what's cool is you can actually hire subcontractors. I call them pocket sized partners, individuals that can actually do the work for the individual that wants help with marketing. Now, there's some mega benefits to this, right? Lots of meaningful things that will allow you to be able to make more money, have more free time, do more fun things with your family. Because if they're paying you on a monthly basis and you're not having to do the work, this frees you up to work anywhere in the world as long as you have your laptop or your phone, right? While other people actually do the heavy lifting. Again, go back to the general contractor. As long as the individual who wants the home built knows that they're in good hands with the team, right, that is being assembled to work on this home that's being built, then they're good to go. Now, what's nice about being a digital contractor is that it eliminates really any downside for you, right? Because there's not any debt that you have to assume. Sometimes home builders or contractors will go into debt to either buy property or supplies as they build a house before they sell it. And I don't love that idea because it can be risky, right? What's nice about digital contracting is that an individual can pay you money on a monthly basis. After they've paid you money, you can distribute that money to your pocket sized partners or subcontractors and then just make the rest. So just imagine if you had, 10 clients, and let's say that they're each paying you $700 per month, all right, to do some work for them. And now out of the $700, you're paying pocket sized partners $200 a month to do the actual heavy lifting. That means that each client out of those 10 is providing you $500 of profit. So take the 500 times 10, you're making $5,000 a month, not having to do much of anything, right? You've got a team of subcontractors or pocket-sized partners, again, doing the marketing for these clients that you have as a digital contractor, and you can enjoy more time with your family. It's a really, really great model. I've been doing this stuff for years. And as you know, if you've seen any of my other videos, this is called service-based arbitrage, and it is the best thing since sliced bread. I absolutely love it. If you've got any questions about it, you're welcome to book a call with somebody on my team. You can just click the link below. Like the video, subscribe. It helps the algorithm, especially if you're wanting to learn a little bit more about how this works. I've been posting videos weekly and just want to provide a bunch of free content for you so that you guys are taken care of and have ways that allow you to be able to enjoy more freedom in your life and help you to have more cash flow. You guys deserve it. Until next week, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we will chat with you soon. Thanks for being here.